Hello and welcome, tech enthusiasts and curious minds. Today we're embarking on a journey through the intriguing world of cryptocurrency and its remarkable influence on various sectors. From revolutionizing retail shopping, transforming supply chain management, to reshaping the gaming industry, we're about to uncover how this digital currency revolution is not just disrupting, but also diversifying applications. So buckle up and let your curiosity lead the way as we delve into this fascinating exploration. Let's dive in. First up, let's look at cryptocurrency in the retail market. In an era where digital transformation is the name of the game, the retail industry is not left behind. Cryptocurrencies, the digital money of the 21st century, are making their way into this sector, changing the way we shop and pay. As you may know, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have been around for a while. Now they are becoming more mainstream, and many retailers, big and small, are beginning to accept these digital currencies as a form of payment. Why, you ask? Well, the reasons are manifold. One of the major appeals of using cryptocurrencies in retail is the potential for lower transaction fees. Traditional credit card payments come with high fees that eat into retailers' profits. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, can significantly cut down these costs, making transactions more profitable for retailers. Another advantage is the elimination of exchange rate issues for international purchases. Cryptocurrencies are borderless by nature, so they allow for smooth and seamless transactions regardless of where the buyer and seller are located. Imagine buying your favorite sneakers from a global brand based in another country. With Bitcoin, you can do it without having to worry about currency conversion or exchange rates. But as with any innovation, integrating cryptocurrencies into retail is not without its challenges. One of the main concerns is the volatility of cryptocurrencies. Prices can fluctuate wildly in a matter of hours, which can be a risk for both consumers and retailers. However, as the market matures, we're seeing the emergence of more stable coins and crypto payment platforms to address these issues. Take, for example, a global brand like Nike. They could potentially accept Bitcoin as payment for their products. This way, customers around the world could purchase their favorite Nike sneakers using Bitcoin without worrying about exchange rates. This not only improves the customer experience, but also opens up new markets for retailers. In conclusion, the integration of cryptocurrencies into the retail market is no longer a distant future, but a present reality. It's a trend that's gaining momentum, powered by the benefits of lower transaction fees, the elimination of exchange rate issues, and the potential to reach a global customer base. But as the market matures, we're seeing more stablecoins and crypto payment platforms emerge to address these issues. Next, let's explore the role of blockchain in supply chain management. Blockchain, the technology that underpins cryptocurrencies, is carving out a significant role in the realm of logistics and supply chain. It's proving to be a game changer, ushering in a new era of transparency, efficiency, and traceability. Imagine a world where every product's journey can be traced from origin to end consumer. That's the power of blockchain. With this technology, we're able to ensure the authenticity of products and dramatically reduce the chances of counterfeit goods entering the supply chain. It's like having a digital passport for every item, documenting its entire life cycle. Let's take a coffee brand as an example. By integrating blockchain, the brand can provide a transparent journey of its coffee beans, right from the farm to your cup. As a consumer, you can verify the source of your coffee, the conditions under which the beans were grown, the processing methods used, and even the transportation details. It's a whole new level of traceability, bringing trust and transparency to the forefront. But the benefits of blockchain in supply chain management don't stop at traceability. Enter smart contracts, a blockchain feature that's set to revolutionize the way transactions are made. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They automate and streamline processes, reducing the need for paperwork and speeding up transactions. Think about it. No more waiting for paperwork to be processed. No more delays due to administrative errors. A smart contract on the blockchain triggers actions when certain conditions are met, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. When a shipment of coffee beans arrives at a warehouse, for instance, a smart contract could automatically trigger payment to the supplier. This not only saves time, but also significantly reduces costs in the long run. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved in the supply chain. With the integration of blockchain, we're not only improving transparency and efficiency, but also paving the way for a more sustainable and ethical supply chain. Lastly, let's turn our attention to the gaming industry and the rise of in-game cryptocurrencies and NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. The gaming industry, a sector already familiar with digital currencies, has been quick to embrace the possibilities of blockchain technologies, leading to some fascinating developments. In this digital playground, cryptocurrencies are introducing entirely new economic models. In this brave new world, players can earn real-world value through their in-game achievements, effectively blurring the lines between virtual economies and our real-world financial systems. Imagine being rewarded for your strategic prowess or gaming skills with a currency that holds value beyond the confines of the game. Suddenly, those hours spent behind the screen could translate into tangible benefits. Now let's talk about NFTs, a concept that's been making waves not only in the gaming industry, but also in the broader digital space. In essence, NFTs allow players to own unique in-game items with verifiable scarcity and authenticity. This could be anything from rare skins to unique weapons, which can be traded or sold like real-world collectibles. This ability to own, trade, and prove the rarity of digital assets gives them a value they've never had before. But, as with any innovation, these developments also present challenges. The rise of in-game cryptocurrencies and NFTs is not without its complexities. The very idea of monetizing virtual assets raises important questions about market regulation. Who governs the value of these digital assets? How do we ensure fairness and security in these transactions? And then there are ethical considerations. For instance, how do we prevent the exploitation of players who might pour real-world money into these games, chasing the elusive promise of digital riches? While this opens up new opportunities for gamers and developers, it also raises questions about market regulation and the ethical implications of monetizing virtual assets. As we continue to navigate this exciting intersection of gaming and cryptocurrency, these are the conversations we need to be having. And as always, we'll be here to guide you through them. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is making significant inroads into various sectors, from retail to logistics and gaming. It's reshaping how we shop, making supply chains transparent, and even creating new economies within the gaming world. The challenges it presents are real, but so are the innovative solutions it offers. Cryptocurrency isn't just a buzzword, it's a tool with the potential to revolutionize industries. As we continue to witness the growth and integration of digital currencies in these industries, it's clear that the potential of cryptocurrency is immense, and we are just scratching the surface.